All right, so today we're going to be looking at decimals on a number line, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to think about money. And here we see that we have 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, and so forth, okay? So if we were to label 25 cents on this graph, we know that 25 is between 20 and 30. So we would come over here and we'd put 25 cents in between 20 cents and 30 cents. Okay, next one we're going to label is 48 cents. Well, we know 48 cents is between 40 cents and 50 cents. But since it's 48 cents, it's going to be a little bit closer to the 50 cents. So we're going to put it about here, closer to the 50, and it would be 48 cents. Then we need to label 3 cents, right? So we know that 3 cents is less than 10 cents. So here we know that 3 cents would be between the 0 and the 10 cents, but a little bit closer to the 0 since it's under 5 cents. So here we would label our 3 cents. Now this is labeling, looking at everything from a money perspective. We can pretty much do the same thing with decimals, okay? We can take this, and we know that 20 cents can also be written as 0.20. Or it could also be written as 0.2, right? These are 3 different ways that we can write 20 cents. So here we know that the decimal value here would be 0. This one here we could say is 10 cents. 0.10 is 10 cents. 0.2 is 20 cents. 30 cents. 40 cents. 50 cents. 60 cents. 70 cents. 80 cents. And 90 cents. And then here, the one we can make look like $1. Okay, so this is still money. We just changed what looked like money into decimal form. Okay, so remember, like I said, 20 cents is the same thing as 0.20 or 20 hundredths or 2 tenths. These all have the exact same value. So when we graph, we want to make sure our 20 cents goes right above the 0 and 2 tenths, or you can make it look like money and say that it's 0 and 20 hundredths. Okay, here, 48 cents, if we were to write it like money, it would be 48 hundredths, or 0.48. So we know that this 48 cents is really close to 50 cents. And here we know that 50 cents and 50 hundredths are the same thing. So 48 cents would be approximately near the 50 cents. So I can put it about there. Here we know that 3 cents is the same thing as 3 hundredths, not 30 cents, but 3 cents. So be careful not to put it between the 30 and the 40. Again, like we said before, when we had it in money form, we said that it was going to be between the 0 and the 10. So here, remember, 3 cents is really close to 0. So we could put our 3 cents about there because we know it's going to be less than half. Okay? All right, so what to do here? Okay, we can label by tenths. We know that this is 5 tenths. So we can go here and go ahead and label. We can go 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3/10, 4/10, which is already 5/10 labeled for us, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, right? And here, again, we can make all of this look like money if we needed to. We can make this look like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay? So, let's go ahead and let's think about this one here. Here, if we have something that looks like 0 and 6/10, remember, if we wanted it to look like money to help us out locating it on a number line, we could put a 0 behind it and act like it's 60 cents. Because anytime you see money, you're going to see two numbers behind the decimal, right? So always, 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 when comparing decimals, make your decimals look like money. So here now, our 6/10, our 60 cents, we know we could put it over here, over the 6/10. It's like 60 cents, so it's a little bit over half that dollar, right? All right, here we have 600. So that's not 60 cents. Be careful. 6 cents is less than 10 cents. So you'd want it to be a little bit halfway between the 0 and the 1/10. So our 6 cents would be about there. All right, now, don't let three-digit numbers confuse you. We have 0 and 758 thousandths. Okay? As you see here, we could just take off this 8 to make it look like money. And we know that 0.758, if we wanted it to look like money, we know that it's pretty close to the area around 75 cents. And here we know that 75 cents would be between 70 and 80. So all we would have to do here is we would drag this number between 70 and 80. About in the middle, since it's about 75 cents. Okay, and we're not looking for an exact spot, just a close general area, okay? And then here we have 99 cents. We know 99 cents is very close to $1. So our 99 cents would be very close to that one. Okay? All right, last one. Notice here, let's pay attention to our whole numbers though. And I'll go up and down on this one because the last one, it was kind of crowded. Okay, so this one here is like $8, right? Now, if you notice here, we have $8.50 in the middle. Not going to put dollar signs. Probably run out of room. And then we go to 9. So this is like $9. So $8, $9. Okay, so here, if we went by tenths, this would be 8 and 1/10, or we could put 8 and 10 cents, make everything look like money. Here would be $8.20, $8.30, $8.40, $8.50 is right in the middle. Here we'd have 8.6 or 8.60, 8.70, $8.80, and then $8.90 here, and then $9 at the very end. Okay, so be sure to check your whole numbers. All right, again, we're not going to let three digits behind that number scare us. Okay, we can simply just take off that third number, act like it's invisible, and just take it off. So this looks like $8.15. So we know $8.15 is going to be between $8.10 and $8.20. So I'm just going to move it right in between right here. Okay, 8.6. Remember, you can always make your 8 and 6/10 look like money by adding a 0. Remember, money always has two numbers behind that decimal. So we can have 8 and 60 hundredths, which is $8.60, which I'm going to put right here. And then $8.88 is between $8.80 and $8.90, but a little bit closer to the $8.90.